breaking point आता था and I used to cry a lot. People say that engineering is tough and I want to tell you guys that being a girl in an engineering college is harder, and being surrounded by guys all the time was not really something I was looking forward to. Triple IT is one of the top colleges and I was very excited and I was very happy that I'm gonna be there. People actually think that you are dumb, and it is actually can be nahi, it is intimidating. I used to think I'm the smartest kid in school, but college में आके it's no more the same because there are really smart people. Friendships have been one of the best and the worst part of this journey. Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm recording with my laptop because मेरे phone में storage नहीं है and I wanted to make this video on priority. I am making this video जो कि बहुत delay हो चुकी है. मैंने कुछ points लिखे हैं अपने phone में which I'm gonna refer to. This video is gonna be all about being a girl at an engineering college. How is it? Like I am in third year right now, so how was my experience? How were past 2.5 years for me, and how has engineering college treated me as a girl? This video is only a heart to heart talk and I am going to share my experiences. हर किसी के लिए different हो सकता है. This is what it has been for me. Let's get into it. So 2 years in an engineering college, let me tell you, it's not easy. People say that engineering is tough, and I want to tell you guys that being a girl in an engineering college is like harder. So first we're gonna talk about the gender ratio. Honestly, it is impossible to ignore it. When I first walked into the classroom, I felt इतना weird कि ये मैं कहाँ गई हूँ. Literally मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर रही, बहुत कम लड़कियाँ होती हैं. When I first got into Triple IT Delhi, I remember I was excited but I was थोड़ा सा nervous भी कि how is it gonna be, how will be the people that I meet, because I felt like I'm gonna be like very honest कि मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि majorly nerd geeky guys होंगे इस कॉलेज में and I would be all alone कि मैं क्या करूँगी, मेरे टाइप के लोग होंगे भी या नहीं होंगे. It was I was very nervous आने से पहले, और initial days में मेरा experience भी उतना अच्छा नहीं था कि मतलब अच्छे लोग भी हैं, मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ, और मैं ये नहीं बोल रही जो geeky है वो अच्छे नहीं है. They're really good too, but I mean, as a girl you need feminine energy around you which makes you feel better, and being surrounded by guys all the time was not really something I was looking forward to. Triple IT is one of the top colleges and I was very excited and I was very happy that I'm gonna be there. From walking into the classroom where you can literally count the number of girls जितनी है उधर, like हमारे batch में out of 600 batch strength there are only 60 girls. So you can see how bad this is. Imagine surviving in this whole campus with सिर्फ male species ही दिखेंगे तुम्हें आसपास. I mean sometime it's too overwhelming or too much हो जाता है, but it is what it is. Over time I got used to it. I stopped letting it bother me, and then धीरे धीरे I was confident about it कि ठीक है. You know, there is this YouTube video that TEDx का कोई video है, it is very old, that I watched and it was about this the founder of Goldilocks, Debbie, and I will link it down somewhere. You can watch it. It's a really good video about engineering. Like she is the founder of this toy company which is they used to make toys for girls, because like वो वीडियो देख लेना, उसमें बहुत कुछ है. बट वट माई पॉइंट इज़ कि जिस तरीके से उसने इस चीज़ पे एम्फेसिस किया है कि हाउ इज़ इट to be a girl in this field and where people actually think that you are dumb. ये point है कि everyone around you, especially guys, they are gonna feel and they're gonna make you feel that you are dumb. And I don't know how you will get over it. Eventually हो जाता है, तुम्हें फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने लगता उन लोगों से. And personally मेरे केस में I feel like I was always very confident of who I am, what I'm doing. मेरे को इतना bother नहीं करता था लोगों के judgments and everything, but sometimes it feels very bad because you are around this masculine energy and you can't do anything about it. इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में मेजरली लोग बहुत normally class आते हैं. They don't like getting ready, they don't like dressing up, and I stand out here because I like dressing up. I cannot, because I like dressing up. That is who I am. There is this thinking कि if you are feminine, you like dressing up, you like makeup, you like girly stuff and blah blah, then you are not that smart. Like, you know what I mean. So this is थोड़ा टफ है, एंड इट इज़ रियली हार्ड टू मेक फ्रेंड्स टू, बिकॉज गिन के थोड़ी सी लड़कियां हैं जिसमें से भी आधे से ज़्यादा लड़कियां और नॉट गर्ल्स आई वुड से. तो इट इज़ रियली हार्ड to make friends here. पर ठीक है, धीरे धीरे you overcome all of those things and you find your people who push you and who will tell you that you are enough. कोई क्लैप नहीं भी कर रहा हो तो जो आपके लिए क्लैप करेंगे, आपकी हेल्प करेंगे, जिससे you're gonna succeed, you're gonna go move forward, and you will do well. So next part we're gonna talk about academic pressure. So the academic side of IIIT Delhi is no joke. People are really smart here. You are surrounded by some of the best minds, which can be very intimidating at times, and it is actually can be. Nahin, it is intimidating. I used to think I'm the smartest kid in school, but college mein aake it's no more the same, because there are really smart people, and the deadlines, the assignments और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, एग्ज़ाम्स, बहुत सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी जल्दी होता है, एंड यू जस्ट हैव नो टाइम टू ब्रीथ. आई रिमेंबर कि हर सेमेस्टर में एक मेरा पॉइंट आता था. इस सेमेस्टर तो हर रोज़ ये मेरा पॉइंट चल रहा है, बट पिछले से हर सेमेस्टर में देयर वाज वन ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट आता था जहाँ पे जिस टाइम पे आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक कि यार क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, एंड आई यूज्ड टू क्राई अ लॉट कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, आई वांट टू डू गुड, एंड सब कुछ बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाता है, एंड यू नो यू जस्ट फील लाइक कि क्या विल यू बी एबल टू कीप अप. So it's hard sometimes, but I think this place has taught me that no matter how hard it gets, you will be able to make out of it. And this place has taught me how to manage my time, how to do a lot of things at you have 24 hours in your day, and because the environment of this college is like that, तुम्हें सब कुछ करना ही पड़ेगा, तो you push yourself a lot to do a lot of things. I think overall it has helped me to grow both as a student and as a person. If I'll go out of this college and I feel like the pressure, the mental pressure this college has given me, I think I have learned something out of it, and आगे के जाके मेरे को work life में help होगा, hopefully. The next part I want to talk about is about friendships. Friendships have been one of the best and the worst part of this journey. बिल्कुल भी smooth नहीं है. There are ups and downs, like a lot of ups and downs. There will be people who support you. There will be people who will pull you down, who will wish like not good for you. So ultimately, you'll get people who will support you. रात भर पढ़ना, study sessions and everything. I feel like you make great connections, and बहुत ज़्यादा अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं रिलेशनशिप्स और फ्रेंडशिप्स में, एंड overall you just learn and grow out of it, and you come out stronger, I feel like. So there are times when I've trusted like literally wrong people who were like bad. I mean, I am that kind of person. I don't believe a person is bad, but कुछ circumstances होते हैं, कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं कि they do things that make you hurt. अब आप, क्योंकि हर इंसान हर किसी के लाइफ में अच्छा नहीं हो सकता, but let's put it in a way कि wrong people wrong time बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कॉलेज में. okay, it's tough but it's worth it, I feel like. Good friendships and the bad friendships, everything is a part of college life, I guess. Let's talk about challenges and breaking those stereotypes. Of course, it's not all perfect. It comes with a lot of stereotypes. Like people will assume you will not perform good in your whatever exams and everything. Technical subjects मेरे को नहीं आएंगे. If I'm a girl, I might be good at design courses, but I'm not going to be good at technical courses. Then there is the lack of representation. Last, I want to talk about this point. I hate some people here. Some people just assumes that if you're in a group, तो तुमने कम ही कंट्रीब्यूट किया होगा. बल्कि अगर मैं अपनी भी बात ना करूँ तो in general, I know a lot of girls who are doing better than a lot of guys. You can't change the thinking of some people. One thing I realized कि धीरे धीरे your presence matter. Sometimes it just feels unfair. They belong here as much as the other people. Why do we feel such kind of thing? If I could tell my younger self something, it would be don't be afraid to stand out, embrace the challenges, and most importantly, trust yourself. You can do a lot of things. You're gonna do a lot of things. The journey might feel overwhelming. There will be people who would like demotivate you, honestly, but you have to trust yourself and you have to know that you are working for yourself, not for anyone else. But it's worth it, I think. Finally, the strength and the confidence you build along the way, I think I couldn't have itna अगर मैं इस path में नहीं होती. To all the girls out there who are considering engineering or is currently in their journey, just know that your presence here is powerful, no matter how dumb some other person is trying to make you feel. You are gonna shut their faces off by your work, what you do. You're just not learning, you're inspiring others to dream bigger, and that is something you should be incredibly proud of, and I am incredibly proud of myself. I literally am so proud of myself. If Aditri in 11th or 12th standard is there sitting and she would be watching me here, I know that she'll be proud. I would have never thought कि मैंने इतना कुछ achieve कर लिया होगा. I mean, I just feel like it is tough, but it's worth it. So I think I wanted to make this video to inspire every girl out there and to, let it out and talk about how is it being a girl here. Finally, my thoughts on IIIT Delhi. So I feel like it is a really good college. अगर अभी भी मेरे को पीछे जाके I would have to make a choice, I would still go here only because the kind of work culture, the kind of environment which is here, it really opens your mind from like everywhere, and you are there and you can do whatever you want. मतलब तुम समझ रहे हो, तुम यहाँ हो, and there are things that you can do in your life and you can literally explore what you want to do side by side अपना like curriculum और पढ़ाई करते करते. So that was all for this video. I hope ये किसी way में helpful हो, and I love talking to you, and if you have any questions or you want to say anything, you can just comment down below. Okay, bye.